going to take a look at leveraging Plex to plan and forecast demand. Even when receiving customer EDI, especially with long supplier lead times, it can be helpful to get outside of that firm order horizon and proactively plan future demand. By looking at past history, we can statistically forecast demand for items and customers based on the profile of their demand. With our statistical forecast created, we can bring in additional sources of data to drive our demand planning. With our 3 years of history and our input from our sales team, we can influence our plan outside of that firm order horizon. For our automotive manufacturers, we can also bring in the input from IHS market forecast data for the IHS light vehicle production forecast. Leveraging the IHS history and the forecast moving forward, we can help project demand accurately. Hopefully this gives you a sense of how Plex can help you plan your demand outside of that customer firm order horizon.